And how is everyone doing today? So anyways, I saw cooking stovetop with water on YouTube the other day, and I said, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. So, you know what? Let's cook bacon with water together. All right, let's give it a shot. So, turn my stove onto high. I'm going to let that heat up for a few minutes, and we'll get started. All right, now, I think my pan is hot. I am actually, what I'm going to do first is, it says, oh, you see the water rolling around on the pan? That means your pan is nice and hot. So anyways, I usually cut my bacon in half. I just took it out of the freezer, so I just find it easier cooking when I cut my bacon in half. And put my bacon in. Looks like someone massacred it, but it was frozen. Alright. We'll get that in there. Go a little bit. Get this in here. Some stragglers. And I think we're good to go. I'm going to pour some water in. Just so it covers the top of the bacon. Now apparently I'm supposed to let this reduce to a certain point so it actually dissolves some of the fat, I think. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I wasn't really listening to the video. I was more concerned on how the bacon was going to look at the end. And now we're going to let that cook for a few minutes and we'll see what's going to happen. Alright, well, it's been a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to give them a little flip. I don't think I really need to, but I'm already drowning a little bit. I am getting no splatter whatsoever. I don't know, I could use tongs, but hey, it's Monday, right? Alright, I'm going to let that cook for a few more minutes and I'll be back. Alright, now since the water has reduced, I'm going to turn the heat down to medium. And I'm going to let that cook for a couple more minutes, then I'll flip her. Alright, well, it's been a couple minutes. So now, give these bad boys a little flip. They're cooking. I'm telling splatter is down to nothing. Next to nothing. I got a little bit, as you can see. Not really that much. And it's cooking relatively good. It's not really sticking to the pan. You can see I got some bacon crap stuck to the bottom of the pan, but hey, it's still going. Alright. I'm going to let this go for a couple more minutes. I'll be back. Well, it's been a few more minutes, and I'm telling you right now, that bacon looks absolutely delicious. So I'm going to take it off now and drain out some of the hot grease that's still left on the bacon. Pat it up, it's going to be hot. That looks absolutely yummy. We're going to let that cool down for a minute. And here we go, the final product. Time to do the test, guys. Here we go. Holy shit. That is, I'm serious, that's some of the best bacon I've ever had in my life. Better than the oven. I'm serious. Cooking a stovetop in water. God, it's freaking delicious. Here you go, guys. My breakfast, bacon cooked stovetop in water.